Owners and property managers often struggle to know if it's the right time to install electric vehicle chargers, whether they're at an apartment, office, or retail store. Owners are flying blind, and without real-world data, most do nothing. I'm Nick McNulty, Managing Director at Blue Whale EV. We consult, plan, and install EV chargers all across the Mid-Atlantic. That process starts with a free EV charging report built for your specific property so you can decide if it's the right time to put chargers in the ground or not. Here's how the report works. Request your report by filling out the form at bluewhaleev.com/EV-report. We'll reach out to get everything set up for you, including an anonymous survey link, an email template that can be sent out to the community, and even printable QR code flyers that can be hung around. A week after the survey goes out, we build your report based on that actual demand data, along with charger recommendations, incentives you could qualify for, revenue projections, and asset value uplift calculations. Property and asset managers tell us this is the data they wish they had years ago. Most properties discover more EV drivers than they expected, and even more waiting to make a switch to electric vehicles until after chargers are everywhere that they spend their time. Combined with state, local, and utility incentives, chargers can be cash flow positive all on their own. Let's be honest, you're not really here to operate a charger. You want to know if those chargers are going to grow your core business. For apartments and offices, a small occupancy lift can result in hundreds of thousands in asset value creation. For retail businesses, drivers charging for as little as 30 minutes at a time will spend more money in your store while they wait. The report connects the dots between demand, incentives, and ultimately your bottom line. The guessing game is over. To get started today, request your no-cost report at bluewhaleev.com/EV-report.